Okay, now second numerical is the calculate the amount of KClO3 needed to supply the sufficient oxygen for the burning of 2 to 4 liter of carbon monoxide gas at a standard temperature and pressure. Calculate the amount of KClO3 needed to supply the sufficient oxygen for the burning of 2 to 4 liter of CO, that is carbon monoxide gas, at a standard temperature and pressure. The atomic weight of potassium, that is K, is equal to 39. Atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5 and the atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Okay, now first of all, the amount of carbon monoxide is 2 to 4 liter. Okay, now the steps involved in the problem based on the stoichiometric calculation. The first step is the write down the balanced chemical equation. Okay, now the balanced chemical equation, balanced chemical equation for the burning of carbon monoxide gas is the carbon monoxide gas plus 1/2 gaseous oxygen gives carbon dioxide, gaseous carbon dioxide. Okay, now the second step is the write down the moles, number of moles of reactant and product below their formulae. Okay, now here the 1 mole of a carbon monoxide, gaseous carbon monoxide, react with 0.5 mole of gaseous oxygen to give 1 mole of gaseous carbon dioxide. Okay, now 1 mole of carbon monoxide, 1 mole of carbon monoxide required 0.5 moles of gaseous oxygen to produce 1 mole of gaseous carbon dioxide. 1 mole of gaseous carbon monoxide required 0.5 mole of gaseous oxygen will be produced one mole of gaseous carbon dioxide. Now 1 mole of ideal gas occupies 22.4 liter of volume. Now 1 mole of ideal gas occupies 22.4 liter of volume. Therefore 22.4 liter of gaseous carbon monoxide required 0.5 mole of gaseous oxygen. Therefore 2 to 4 liter of gaseous carbon monoxide required question mark mole of oxygen, gaseous oxygen. Cross multiplication, that is 2 to 4 liter into 0.5 mole divided by 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. Okay, solve this equation. Liter get cancel, multiply this two value divided by this value by 22.4, we get the final answer, that is 5 mole of gaseous oxygen. That is 224 liter of gaseous carbon monoxide required 5 moles of gaseous oxygen. Okay, now the balance chemical equation for the production of gaseous oxygen from the KClO3 is the balance chemical equation for the production of O2 gaseous oxygen from KClO3 is the twice KClO3 solid gives twice KCl solid plus thrice O2 gaseous. The balance chemical equation for the production of gaseous oxygen from the KClO3 is the twice KClO3 solid gives twice KCl solid plus thrice O2 gaseous. Okay, now write down the masses and moles, number of moles of reactant and product below their formulae. This is the step number 2 of problem based on the stoichiometric calculation. Okay, now here 2 into 122.5, that is 245 gram. Atomic weight of potassium is 39. The atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5 and the atomic weight of oxygen is 16 into 3, that is 48, and total is the 122.5. Okay, now here the number of moles of KClO3 is the 2, that is 2 into 122.5, that is the final answer is 245 gram. Okay, here the moles of gaseous oxygen is the 3 moles. Okay, now the 3 moles of gaseous oxygen produce from 245 gram of KClO3. Okay, now therefore 5 mole of gaseous oxygen will be produced from question mark gram of KClO3 solid. 5 mole of oxygen. 5 mole of oxygen, gaseous oxygen, will be produced from the question mark gram of KClO3 solid. Cross multiplication, that is 5 mole into 245 gram divided by 3 mole. Solve this equation, we get the final answer, that is 408.3 gram of KClO3. That is the 5 mole of gaseous oxygen will be produced from the 408.3 gram of KClO3. Okay, now next point of this chapter, that is introduction to analytical chemistry. The next point of this chapter is the limiting reactant and excess reactant. Now first of all, limiting reactant. The reactant that limits the amount of a product that can be formed in a chemical reaction is called as limiting reactant. The limiting reactant is the reactant that limits the amount of product that can be formed in a chemical reaction is called as limiting reactant. That means the limiting reactant is the reactant that produce a small amount of reactant, small amount of product in a chemical reaction. Limiting reactant is the reactant that produce the smaller amount of a product in a chemical reaction is called as limiting reactant. Okay. Now next is the excess reactant. The reactant which is present in an excess amount in a chemical reaction and remains unreacted in a chemical reaction is called as excess reactant. The excess reactant is the reactant that present in an excess amount in a chemical reaction and remains unreacted in a chemical reaction is called as excess reactant. For example, consider the formation of nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2, from the nitric oxide and oxygen. This is the balanced chemical equation of this formation of nitrogen dioxide. For example, consider the formation of a nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2, from the nitric oxide, that is NO, and from oxygen, that is O2. Okay. Now this is the balanced chemical equation of this formation. Okay. Now in this equation, the twice NO2 is formed. Okay. Now here there are two reactants. Now in this example, the NO, that is nitric oxide is the limiting reactant and oxygen is the excess reactant. Let's see. Suppose the initially we have 8 mole of NO and 7 mole of oxygen. Suppose initially we have the 8 mole of nitric oxide and 7 mole of oxygen. Okay. Now first of all, calculate the number of moles of NO2. NO2 will be formed from the 8 mole of NO. Okay. Now the 2 mole of gaseous nitric oxide, 2 mole will be produced 2 mole of gaseous nitrogen dioxide. 2 mole of gaseous nitrogen dioxide. Okay. Now therefore the 8 mole of gaseous nitric oxide, gaseous will be produced, question mark, how many moles of NO2, that is gaseous nitrogen dioxide. Okay. Cross multiplication, that is 8 mole into 2 mole divided by 2 mole. The answer is the 8 mole of gaseous nitrogen dioxide. That is the 8 mole of nitric oxide, gaseous nitric oxide, produce 8 mole of gaseous nitrogen dioxide. Okay. Now similarly 1 mole of gaseous oxygen will be produced 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide, gaseous nitrogen dioxide. 2 mole of gaseous nitrogen dioxide. Okay, now therefore 7 mole of gaseous oxygen, 7 mole of gaseous oxygen will be produced question mark. How many moles of nitrogen dioxide? How many moles of gaseous nitrogen dioxide? Okay, cross multiplication, that is 7 mole into 2 mole, 2 mole divided by 1 mole. Solve this equation, we get the final answer, that is 14 mole of gaseous nitrogen dioxide. That is, the 7 mole of gaseous oxygen will be produce 14 moles of nitrogen dioxide, gaseous nitrogen dioxide. Okay, now in this example this reactant produce less amount of product. This reactant, that is gaseous nitric oxide, produce less amount of product, that is gaseous nitrogen dioxide, as compared to oxygen, Therefore, in this example, this reactant is called as a limiting reactant, while oxygen is the excess reactant, because oxygen produce 14 moles of product, that is gaseous nitrogen dioxide. Okay.